Hello students, welcome back. As I have already started the sixth lesson, that is the triangle and its properties, chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. In this I discussed exercise 6.1 and there I solved only one problem because one problem is enough to understand the meaning of a median as well as a altitude. Okay, what is the meaning of median and altitude? I hope you know the difference between altitude and a median. Okay, to understand that, watch the previous video. Now in this session I am going to discuss about the exterior angle property of a triangle. Already you know triangle is a polygon with the three sides. Okay, triangle is a closed figure entirely made up of three straight lines, and it has some special characters or special properties. Among those special properties, this is the one property, exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, so the exterior angle So what this exterior angle property of a triangle states? It states that an exterior angle of a triangle states that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, you can check this property practical also by drawing randomly on a triangle, and you can confirm this property. So what this property says, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Let me draw one triangle first. It's a triangle and its vertex are x, y and z. Okay, so what do you mean by interior angles and exterior angles? Two lines are meeting here and the angles formed inside these two. Look here, these two lines are meeting at x, these two lines are joining at y, and these two lines are joining at z. So the angles formed within the two lines or inside is known as the interior angles. These are interior angles. These three you can name these angles, the angle x, angle y and angle z. These are the interior angles. But if you extend here, if you extend yz little bit, okay, then whatever angle is formed here, no, this is known as exterior angle formed at vertex z. Exterior angle formed at vertex z. If you extend this, and here one angle, this is also exterior angle. To extend this is also exterior angle. So what this exterior angle property says, the exterior angle, what is the measure of this angle? This exterior angle of triangle, it is always equal to the sum of interior opposite ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸದಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್. This is one triangle. Suppose This is a 30 degree, and this is around 40, and this is a 110 degree. Okay. Now one exterior angle is formed. If you want to know this how much this degree is, no need to measure it. This angle is always equal to sum of these two angles. It is a 110 plus 40. You can easily write that it is a 150 degree. Okay. Suppose if you don't know these two angles, and if you know this angle, you know this one is a 150 degree, and you can easily tell that the sum of these two interior angle is always equal to 150 degree. Exterior angle of any triangle is a sum of interior opposite. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದಾಗತ್ತಾ, ಇದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು. ಸಪೋಸ್ if you extend this one, how much this is? This angle is always equals to, it is exterior, it is interior opposite angles. 110 plus 30 will give you, this one is a 140 degree, like this. Straight I continue ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. This angle is always equal to interior opposite, 40 plus 30, it is 70 degree. Okay, likewise you can say if you know the interior angles, you can tell about a exterior angle, or if you know exterior angle, you can tell about the interior angles. This is known as the exterior angle property of a triangle. Let me start exercise 6.2. What you can do is you can draw one random triangle in your notebook. You can measure the interior angles and also measure the exterior angles. You can cross verify whether this property holds good or not. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾನು 6.2 ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. 6.2 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ 6.2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇ find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. So in each diagram exterior angle is given and interior angles are provided. You need to find what is that exterior angle. First one I will take. This 50 degree, 70 degree, so this is x, and the heading is to find the exterior angle x in the front. You need to find the x. X is the exterior angle here. So what is this property says? Exterior angle property says that exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇವೆರಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore x is equals to 50 plus 70 degree, 50 degree plus 70 degree. Therefore x is equal to 120 degree. This much only. Second, degree and 45 degree, and here it is x. If this is the exterior angle, you need to find the x. If this is exterior angle, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಇದು ಮತ್ತು 65 and 45. Therefore x exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite. Therefore x is equal to 65 plus 45 degree. 65 plus 45 is how much? 110 degree. Okay, one more I will solve, and remaining you need to solve it. I will take sixth one directly. Look here, you need to find the x. Here x is the interior, x is the exterior. You need to find this. Exterior angle is always equals to the sum of interior opposite. ಇದು exterior ಆದರೆ ಇದು interior ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, 30 ಮತ್ತು 60. Okay, so if you want this x, you need to add interior opposite angles. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. X is equal to, okay, it's very easy. Remaining 3 problems you can try. Okay, the next I will go to second way. Second main, you can read the heading in your textbook. Second main says that find the value of the unknown interior angles x in the following figure. So far we calculated exterior angle. X was the exterior angle in previous main, but in this main x is the interior angle. Okay, these are just the names. Okay, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. This time x is the interior angle, not the exterior. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, exterior angle measurement ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. exterior angle measurement ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but still you are using that property, exterior angle property you are using to calculate the x. Okay, how to use that solution? Okay. What property says? The property says that exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite. Therefore I will just write exterior angle. I am just writing for one problem only, no need to write it every time. Okay, exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So exterior angle is how much? 115 degree. Sum of interior opposite. Interior opposite of 50 plus x. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್, ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಲುಕ್ ಹೌ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಆಲ್ different domains are connected to one another. Here algebra working. Algebra ಪ್ರಕಾರ x ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ನೀವು. What to do? You are going to reverse the equation now. You will take LHS here. 50 plus x is equal to 115 degree. You need x. What you will do? You will transpose this 50 to write RHS now. X remains here. We will transpose this plus 50 from LHS to RHS. It is going to be minus 50 degree. Plus 50 degree ididu RHS idad milega anta minus 50 degree. Therefore, x is equal to how much? How much? 65 degree. 65 degree. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay. Second one. Degree, 70 degree, and this is x. X is once again interior angle here. And solution, you need to find the x. According to exterior angle property, exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite. Okay, exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite. So exterior angle is how much? 100 degree is equal to sum of interior. What are the interior here? Total 3 interior angles are there. This one, this. But I want interior opposite. Interior opposite ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್. 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದೇನಿದು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ 70 plus x, 70 degree plus x. Once again simple equation is formed. LHS, RHS, equal sign and one variable. I need to find the x. Once again I will reverse this. 70 plus x is equal to 100 degree. I want x, therefore I will transpose this 70. Therefore x is equal to 100 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore x is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Likewise you have to solve. So almost all problems are like this only. Just one more I will solve, that is a third problem. Remaining 3 I will leave it as a homework for you. Okay, one more, last one I will solve, third one. Okay. Again look here, this is a triangle, this is the exterior angle formed here. Exterior angle is always equal to this is adjacent, not opposite, but still this one is the interior, this is exterior. Exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite. What this symbol shows, this shows that it's a 90 degree. Okay, L shape and the inverted L is a 90 degrees also. Therefore exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite. Okay, exterior angle is how much? 125 degree. Sum of interior opposite x plus what this shows? This shows 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree plus 90 degree. I want x. Simple equation. I will reverse LHS and RHS and there will be no change of sign. X plus 90 degree is equal to I want x remains here, plus 90 will go there, it will become minus 90. Therefore x is equal to 125 minus 90, how much? 35. X is 35. Okay, it's much very easy problems. You can try 4th, 5th and 6th in your home. If you have any doubt, you can send me a message. I will see you in next session, that is exercise 6.3. Okay, I will ask only 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3 questions in essay 1 up to 6.3. No need to worry about exercise 6.4. Okay, 6.4 and 5 will be discussed later. Okay, thank you one and all, have a nice day.